Yeah, it needs to be rained on because it was getting dirty. You see how I did the exhaust? Painted the exhaust?
I didn't even know you had the exhaust on here. Okay, now Rob.
I painted the exhaust.
This gonna be a bad joke.
Painted the exhaust.
You heard what Al said, and I said, he said, when that bad boy come out here.
Deuce Boy Al?
Yeah, he said when that joke, oh my God.
Yeah, because they stopped down a few weekends back, and they seen, you know, Deuce Boys, Al seen this up here, but it wasn't like this yet still, though. It wasn't like this.
So you done jammed this bad boy already.
Yeah, got the firewall.
Rob, this ain't gonna be nothing nice, though.
That ain't nothing there. Look up under the wheel wells.
You did the belly too?
Look up under the wheel wells. Look up under the trunk area. Don't fall now. Don't fall.
Don't worry about it. Lord have mercy.
The floors. I just got to do the other side, the other wheel well.
Boy.
Everything is. That's gonna be the color right there, though.
You should have a doggone green. Is this your favorite color? It's something about this color. You lay this color down some.
You know what it is that Bud. Remember Bud? Remember Heavy's old car? Yeah, that Park Avenue?
Yeah.
Alright, that was the color of his car. And I fell in love with that color. You know what I'm saying? So hold on. Now see, you ain't even looking in here. Look up there. What color is that? What's all on the inside of the firewall?
The same deal. The same deal.
Yeah.
And this one I'm talking about, Rob. You a one-man show.
Yeah, running out of time.
A lot of people that see this would think that you had a few people on here that was helping you do this, but this all you all by yourself.
Yeah, even where the gas tank, everything, you know, the quarters, the floors. I had to tape them up because I didn't want no overspray getting on them. But up under here, I got plastic and paper because that's all painted already. That's painted the same color as the top. So yeah, everything, the frame, everything painted.
So you had your doors on here, then you took them back off?
Yeah, you know, like this.
So what's the beauty?
Yeah, I just want to make sure it ground.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? I put a little condensing grease or something, some grease in there.
So it don't rust.
Well, yeah, I mean, I put some grease on there now. Probably today put some grease in there, and I just want to make sure that it don't even have power windows, but I just want to make sure everything ground out, you know, so. But yeah. Now, since you had to run me up to the vault to drop the 77 off, I just figured you might want to come in and just take a look real quick. Cause you keep asking me, where you at? I'm like, man, my videos ain't caught up with where I'm at.
I see what you're doing. I see where you at, and I see where you going. You ain't playing no game, bro. Seriously.
All right, Eric.
You ain't playing no game.
All right, Eric. Yeah. And you know what? When I go to shows, I probably won't win one show because I ain't worried about no shows. And they be judging those shows the wrong way. Yeah, they do. You know what I'm saying?
They got friends of a friend.
That's right. So I ain't going to win no shows. I build my cars for myself, Eric. You know what I'm saying?
Paying your respect to the Buick family.
Yeah.
I see why you're doing it, and I tell anybody, you got to have passion to do stuff like this, because this ain't overnight.
Nah. See, you're not even seeing the tranny over here. It's covered up, but it's the same color.
I seen
the train. You see the drive shaft over there?
I seen you when you mocked
The drive shaft. It's messy in here. You see the shocks up there? The shocks are the springs. Hold on. I had to cover this stuff up so it don't get overspray. The brake pads. What are those? Those tranny lines. The distributor got a little white. Let me see what that distributor got a little white on them, you know. So
detail work.
Yeah, it's gonna be, you know, those you can't really see them, but
look, and then when
those are the straps for the gas tank.
And I was looking right at them and didn't know what the heck I was looking at.
Yeah, those straps for the gas tank. So gas tank will be red.
So you're gonna be able to see all your work.
Yeah, it's gonna be detailed.
And these valve covers are for what? Not that.
That was for the showstopper, the showstopper. But I got the valve covers over here too, but they might be too buried. But they, you know, cause the engine painted the engine over there.
Yeah, I think did you mock it all up at one point in time?
Yeah, but the valve covers are painted red and white too. So.
And it's dusty.
Yeah, it's getting a little dust on it, but it'll be all right. It'll be all right. Yes, sir. A little bit more footage for your channel, huh? See, I just got to finish that up there.
I don't know if it's going to be for my channel. It's just going to be for me. No, I'm putting it on here.
Trying to help you out, Eric.
Just rain, though.
Yeah. So. All right, Eric. Well, I appreciate you helping me drop the car off, and
ain't nothing to it. You won't be leaving no doggone no grass in my car no
Huh?
more. That grass you left in my console.
Well, you talking about some weed or something? What you talking about? Grass.
We talking about what they call cheese.
Man, I just left you a couple of bucks for you picking me up. That's all. No, but time is money, man. Time is money.
I appreciate it.
I mean, you didn't have to come, and I'm calling, and you came, and I appreciate it, Eric.
You don't want to bring your baby all the way home. I understand that too.
No, I ain't got no room. You see all that junk out there? I ain't got no room for nothing. For this car, hopefully. If not, something gonna happen.
No, that's right.
I don't know what.
It's bright out here too.
It's still daylight, Eric. It's only what, 4 o'clock? What time is it?
It's
5 o'clock. All right, Eric. I appreciate it.
All right.
All right.